Hello guys, this is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back, and today is 2022 11th of November, right? So it's a single day. Alright, so happy Singles Day, and today I have an announcement to make. For this announcement will be regarding onto my live streaming here. Okay, so you can see the banner below, right? So I have an announcement that to announce that no live streaming from 16 to 28th of November, right? Live streaming will resume on the 29th of November, right? So guys, I will see you there on the 29th of November, right? Okay, right. Thank you, Hubert. Yes. Yeah, I will see you on the 17th. Yep. Okay, right. Yes. Yeah, we'll talk about that later on. All right. So, yep. Guys, thank you so much for your understanding. Okay, so let's see. Right. Thank you. Hi, CK, ni hao. And namaste, Naga. Hi, Marcus. Hi. Thank you for coming in. Yes. And yep, and let's see what do we have today. All right, in this session, all right, I'm going to focus to pick out some of the currency pairs which has a potential to sell later on when I'm going for live streaming. All right, so yep, let's get into the MT4. Okay, quickly, let's see what do we have here. I will go through all the currency pairs that I have with me, right? So if I don't have it here, if you want to also comment below and let me know, right? So before I start, guys, do remember to click the subscribe button and remember to help me to smash the like button to show your appreciation for the effort behind the video, right? Okay, so yep, yeah, so let's see. All right, for Aussie CAD over here, let's take a look. First of all, what am I going to do is that I'm going to analyze out the trend first. So tentatively, by looking at this, we have a downward trend, am I right? So this is a general view. So in the macro view, we are looking at in the selling, but however, today we are actually looking out for the bull is actually starting to run. Okay, it's starting to run. So as we can see over here, right? So from the price here, it has set up one that it doesn't meet the support over here and started to go above. So this is a sign of a bullish market over here. So for people who are buying, yes, congratulations, it's time for you to buy. Okay, I think it's very it's thanks to this CPI yesterday, which actually compared. All right, so the inflation is also running at a slower pace. I think that actually helps a lot in the market, right? So tentatively, okay, currently by looking at this, okay, we can see that over at this point here, all right, we are actually looking into a lot of currency pairs that started to come into region whereby, right, a lot of them are actually coming into the pool. Am I right? Okay, so actually right now, okay, what we are going to do is that we are going to opt for a buying. Yes, yeah, that's right. Yes, there's a plenty of buying chance today, right? So yeah, and selling wise, most likely we will take a look at certain other currency pairs. Okay, so let's see how is it going. All right. Okay, so yes, there's a lot of stock market all over the world has been surging up for 100 over points, and as for Dow Jones was 1,000 points. Yeah, as I last seen. Okay, so it was really a good push for the market. Okay, so however, we still need to monitor further whether it's the back coming in, right? So yep, let's take a look over here first for Aussie CAD. Yes, for Aussie CAD over here, all right. For Aussie CAD over here, it will be running on the bull, so should be looking for a buy. So looking for a buy, right now we are actually trying to test on the resistance over here, where actually this resistance is not very strong as we can see. Yeah, sorry, it is quite strong as we can see over here. It has been resisted once, and now it is coming into as this level to balance out over here. Right, so as we can see this part here, right, so right now, okay, will there be a chance of selling after the bull has been running? And at this point here, probably we may want to wait for a little while. So if a buyer if want to buy, all right, I will say that let's take a look over at this point here, whether would it set up for a buying signal, then we go for a buy, right? If not, then if not, then it will start to slip off to come back to take off something, right? Okay, so that is one point here to take note. So yeah, let's move on to the Aussie franc. Well, Aussie franc over here. Aussie franc, yes, we are in the bear, but today the same thing, we have been affected a little bit. That we are actually trying to climb out to meet the resistance. So over at this point here, the resistance level, as we can see over at this point, yeah. So this is one point here that we can take a look. Probably there may be a chance to sell, but it has not met yet. So tentatively, it is still not as good because today the trend is still at the retracement in the bear market, right? Okay. So let's move on to Aussie yen, right? Aussie yen. So Aussie yen over here, right? Aussie yen, as we can see, Aussie yen over here, we are actually looks like we are having a pair. Yesterday was a good selling over there, okay, for the past few days. So this week was quite good, okay, and today is Friday. So remember, today is a PPD, so profit preservation day, okay? Right, so over here, yeah, over here we have made up with the support. So tentatively we are in the bear, but made up with the support. Tentatively we are having a retracement as well. So over here, where are we looking out for the resistance that may have a good chance to push down once again to retest the support? This may be the area. So later on we may want to take a look at this area to sell. All right. Okay. So for Aussie yen, tentatively, all right, it's still looking for some resistance over there, although it has retested the area. And there may be a good chance for selling. So I will see that there is a good chance, and probably, yeah, we can put this into our selling list. Okay, so yeah, but bear in mind that we are still fighting against the buying volume there. So just be selling Aussie, right? So for Aussie Kiwi, well, for Aussie Kiwi over here, tentatively looking out for a buy. So Aussie Kiwi, yes, we are entering into the bear, but the bear has seems like stopped at the support, and now it's coming back for the buy. So for buyers, can take note because the resistance is quite high up. All right, so we still have plenty of space to go over here. All right, so roughly here, yeah, correct. Okay, so we still have around about 25 pips to go. Right, so this one you can take note. Okay, so let's go on with our Aussie dollar. Aussie dollar. Yep, Aussie dollar. Now we have after the CPI, everything has changed trend, and push a very good push in the market into this level. So tentatively, we are looking at this area of values here, whether it's actually down, but it's still quite a way to go, with about 50 pips to go. So probably we need to hang on for a little while, and let's see if this works for the sellers. So sellers have to be patient, but for buyers, yes, you have 50 space to go. Yes, you can take a look at that. Okay, right. Euro Aussie. Well, as we can see, Euro Aussie. The characteristic here, Euro Aussie is actually now coming for the selling, since the Aussie are all pretty strong in general. Okay, so over here at this point here, by looking at this, right, Euro Aussie is looking for a selling. So we are looking out for the selling opportunity here to here. Right, so we have quite a fair bit to go. Quite a good space there, about 37 to go. So from the resistance, okay, from the resistance over here, felt that this is the resistance here, right? So it had tested, okay, and then started to. Okay, so is this going to be our trend? Yeah, perhaps. Okay, highly likely, but in the end, I see that this shall be a good one. Okay, Euro Aussie. Right, then we just need to wait for retesting, find a resistance. Okay, right. So Euro Aussie. Okay, I'm going to put this Euro Aussie into my watch list. Okay, then after that, let's move on to Euro CAD. Well, Euro CAD over here, Euro CAD. Well, Euro CAD over here seems like we are also breaking through. And now from the back coming down until here, we are setting up for the bull, for the bull, for the bull. Okay. So tentatively, are we going to set up once again over here? And we can see the resistance is up there. Okay, so we still have very good space for buying. Okay, so guys, do take note about this, and we still have quite a good space to go All right. Okay, so buyers can take note for EUROCAD, and let's go with Euro Yen. Euro Yen. Well, Euro Yen over here. Euro Yen. Well, you can see the Euro Yen is actually climbing. Correct. Okay, so yeah, along the way as it's climbing. Okay, and we can see yesterday. Okay, as of yesterday, so prices start to fall. Okay, fall, and then it fell down here, and now it came back for some recovery, but it doesn't hold it very well. So at this point here, okay, we are looking into this level. All right, so tentatively, okay, the resistance will be. So from the resistance now, we still have about a 90 pips. So for Euro Yen, okay, tentatively, okay, I will still put this into selling this. Okay, it looks pretty good. Okay, it looks pretty good for me to take a short-term profit from Euro Yen today. Okay, yeah, Euro Kiwi. Let's take a look at Euro Kiwi. Well, for Euro Kiwi, as we can see for Euro Kiwi over here, Euro Kiwi is now in the right? So we are still selling there form over here, and now we are looking out for the support level, which is the first level, right? This is not the support, the green one will be the support, okay, because green candle going up, so yeah, green will be the support. Okay, so tentatively we still have good space to go, so for Euro Kiwi we will pay attention to that. Okay, so that we will have a chance, right? Okay, so at this point here, Euro dollar. Well, for Euro dollar over here, we have made up with my target over at this point here. So think of like we have been waiting for many weeks. Am I right? Okay, so there's about well, this is one whole month here. Since then, we started to go of the beginning of the month until now about 2 weeks. So we are finally okay, meet up with this something over here and really actually break through for one of the resistance up there. And probably it may, okay, it may, but now it's actually forming. So let's observe how it goes. But for now, if I'm going to put on the selling, I don't think I will, because currently that's I think it should half of the day, and definitely maybe it may not be enough. Alright. Okay, even there's the selling signal, there's the pullback, and this is really short-term selling. Alright. Okay, so how Aussie seems like Power Aussie is actually running okay nicely into the bear, still trying to create a bear over here. Alright, so still trying to create a selling momentum there. Well, as I can see over here, alright, this point here, there's a distribution area here. So after that, I think probably it may come back to area here. So tentatively selling for Power Aussie is still very good. Okay, so I'm going to put Power Aussie into watch list. Okay, and after that, later on we can come back here. Right, so Power Cat. Let's take a look at Power Cat. As for Power Cat over here, we can see that it's tentatively running on the bull side. So the bull is still running, and now it's trying to test distance up there. Okay, so over at this point here, right? So we are meeting up the resistance. Will there be a chance for us to sell down at this point of time? I would say probably there maybe. Okay, because actually we are still looking for resistance to continue the selling. So will it actually come into here and then start selling down there? Yes, possible. Okay, that's possible. So for Power Cat, okay, so today we can actually take a look at the Power Cat, whereby after test of the resistance, then it comes down into the area of support here, then we will take a selling trade. So we should have about 120 pips. Okay, so in this case, all right, since it's still moving towards the resistance, I think okay, and in that case we have to wait for it to fall. Okay, all right, Power Frank. Let's take a look at Power Frank over here. Power Frank. We are actually moving into the pool. If you are selling, it may be danger. So tentatively, buyers take note, sellers stay away. Right, so for Pound Yen, let's take a look. Pound Yen. Well, Pound Yen, very good. Okay, we are actually entering into the bear, but the bear is actually now looking for resistance before it actually starts falling. So the support level, I think, is very obvious. It should be here, as we can see it touches here, and the resistance is here, no change, but now it's changing downwards to a lower resistance. So will there be a chance for selling over here? Yes, there may be. Okay, right. So since that's the case, then probably later on take our game. Okay, right. So I'm gonna put Power Yen into my watch list. Okay, so then we are going to out later. Okay, right. And over at this point here, hi MK, hi, nice to see you here. That's early. Oh no, that's early. No, that's now it's late for you. Okay. Yeah. So all right, Power Kiwi. Yeah, Power Kiwi. We are in the bear. So we are in the bear, looking out for resistance. Same thing. I'm going to look out for resistance over at this point here. So as we can see, there's a resistance level here. So tentatively, it has actually come to support area where previous resistance exists. Now currently will be. Okay. So in this case, right? In this case, this will actually come into the state tentatively of how we highly likely, okay, highly likely that we are going to put this into our watch list, right? But of course, we got to be careful, right? Because over here we have look out for the support. We are actually here as well, so tested and bounced back already. So this is something new. So is Power Kiwi a good one to actually come selling? Well, so let's see. We are actually going to please. Would that be possible? Yes, that will be possible. Okay, so tentatively, well, I'm going to put Power Kiwi in my watch list. Okay, right. So Power Kiwi. Okay. Okay, so let's go again. All right, pound dollar. Right, pound dollar. Well, pound dollar, same thing because of the supply, because of the currency. Now it's actually up. Okay, moving on to here and last well, okay, so tentatively, let's see. Okay, if this pound dollar will have a chance to sell down. If there's a chance to sell down, I think it's very good to sell. For me, I see that it's very good to sell. Okay, so pound dollar, yeah, I'm going to put this in my watch list. This is sitting on my resistance. And after that, later on, we can take a look if it's short-term selling or long-term selling. Well, for dollar CAD, let's take a look at dollar CAD. Well, dollar CAD, we are now actually coming into the bear. Well, we have been in the bear for quite a few days. So looking out for the resistance over here, support is very clear that we are here. Okay. One look here, and the resistance level is here. Right. So for now, it's actually still testing on the support. I see that there may be. Okay. So for dollar CAD, yes. Yes, it looks good. However, they support this may be the point there where the support will start first. Okay, so for dollar CAD wise, okay, I see that there may be a chance. Okay, there may be a chance for us to sell. However, the support has been set up unless it breaks the support. Unless it breaks the support, and after that we can. Okay, so we are pretty near. So let's see how it goes. Okay, well, dollar franc. Right, dollar franc. Okay, dollar franc over here. We are in the bear. Very clear. Am I right? So dollar has dropped so much, and dollar franc seems like it's actually coming in taking advantage. Unfortunately, we are still on the support. So at this area here, the support area here, then it may not be able to hit any selling unless it breaks below the support. Okay, then we will consider a good one. So later on, we can come back. Okay, so for dollar yen, currently looking out for a support. Yeah, very near. Okay, so it seems like they are trying to break this area here. So tentatively, I'm going to stay away from. Okay, so I'm going to stay away from here. Okay, so Bitcoin, Bitcoin, let's see. Well, Bitcoin has surged up above the 17,000 and come back for retesting over here. So this is a good sign that actually the buyers are actually coming in. Okay, so some people like me, yeah, the day before we were talking about 16,000. I'm going to put some lots into it. Am I right? So with the hits of 18,000, I actually exit the trade. Okay, so this way, okay, this is one is looking for buy, so we're going to see this. All right, so for gold, yes, gold is actually escalating. There's one point later on in the live I may want to explain. When you look at this point here is very flat. Okay, so here over at this point here, we are looking out for a spring that's springing up here. All right, so I see that there are quite a few spring there, so that's the reason why it actually goes up. Okay, so tentatively in gold also nothing to see, no use. Okay, we are seller, we are not buyers. If buyers come into selling, then I will. Okay, all right. So yeah, I think that should be all for today. Okay, so let's see what do we have here. Okay. All right. Aussie yen, Euro Aussie. Aussie yen, Euro Aussie. Well, Euro yen, Euro Kiwi, Pound Aussie, Pound yen, Pound Kiwi, Pound dollar. Okay. Yep, that should be all for now. Okay, guys. So I will be coming back in about 1.5 hours time to have a live streaming trading with all of you. So do remember to stay tuned. Okay, and for those who have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, now click the subscribe button. All right, and smash the like button as well. Okay. Well, so that's all for me now. Okay, I shall see you later on in the in the London market. Okay. No, not London market. 1 hour before London market is the from Berlin, Frankfurt. Yeah. Okay. So thank you so much. Okay, guys, I shall see you.